Hello everyone, and welcome. Today we're diving into a crucial upgrade for Synology NAS users looking to boost performance. The OWC 16GB DDR4 RAM module. Specifically designed for compatibility with a wide range of Synology disk station, rack station, flash station, and NVR/DVA server models. This memory upgrade promises to breathe new life into your storage solution. This particular module is a 16GB DDR4 2666 MHz PC 4-21300 cell 19 ECC SODIMM, operating at 1.2V. It's a 2RX8 module, and it's designed to be a direct replacement for Synology part numbers D4ECSO, 2666-16G, and D4ES01-16G. Compatibility is key here, and OWC has ensured this RAM works seamlessly with popular models like the DS1522 Plus, DS1618 Plus, DS1621 Plus, and many more. If you're running one of these NAS devices, this upgrade is definitely worth considering. Why upgrade your NAS memory? Well, more RAM translates directly to improved performance. Your NAS can handle more simultaneous tasks, run applications smoother, and generally operate with greater responsiveness. This is especially beneficial if you're using your NAS for virtualization, running multiple Docker containers, or serving media to several devices at once. One of the standout features of this OWC memory module is its ECC, or Error Correcting Code, functionality. ECC RAM is designed to detect and correct memory errors, which can be crucial for maintaining data integrity, especially in demanding server environments. This added layer of protection can provide peace of mind, knowing that your data is less susceptible to corruption. OWC also makes the installation process straightforward. In most cases, installing memory in a NAS is a simple DIY project. OWC provides basic installation videos to guide you through the process, making it accessible even for those with limited technical experience. Of course, always consult your Synology NAS manual for specific instructions related to your model. Finally, OWC backs this memory module with an industry-leading limited lifetime warranty and a consumer-friendly advanced replacement program. This demonstrates their confidence in the product's quality and provides excellent support should you encounter any issues. Free tech support is also included, which is a valuable resource for any questions or concerns you might have. For Synology users seeking a reliable and effective performance boost, the OWC 16GB DDR4 ECC SODIMM is a compelling option.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.